Is that a Panasonic?
Yeah. It's
There's a bloke called Canic Chase got one of them, and he's got some fantastic shots, still shots on it.
yeah, you can do some good stills on them.
Yeah. Is it the D? What's it called? DC or D? Panasonic DC.
The zoom on it's brilliant.
Yeah, he said the same.
Come on, drop down. That's better.
And here we go. Put some seed on it.
And that's a different one. Definitely, it's got a red head.
Yeah, that's. I'm going to get my book out in a minute. Some say that the lesser spotted, which are very rare,
Yeah.
they've got no markings on the head, but you've got black bars across the wings.
Yeah.
And that's a male, that is.
Yeah, that one is, yeah.
Yeah. You.
I can't be doing with that. I mean, I went down there. Worst place I've been was Giggling Farm in
Oh, I've been
Wales.
down there, yeah.
Excellent one, it's brilliant, but they get so packed, don't they?
Yeah.
You can't move in the night.
Giggling Farm, what happened, I've been down there for about 3 or 4 years,
Yeah.
and I know Chris who runs it, like,
Yeah.
and I know Chris who runs it, and I booked before I go down.
Yeah.
I book on the net, and I phone him up and he says, yeah, come down, booked it for you, takes your name and everything.
Yeah.
I got down.